Hey, what's up, everybody? Super Mario fan here, and today I just received a very special package that I just received from eBay, and it's a very special one. And I hope that all of you will love this unboxing video that I'm about to do. And I know that I've been waiting for a week or so, but today we're gonna go and do this. We're gonna go and do this. We're gonna have to find an endpoint. We're gonna have to find an endpoint. Okay, so sorry guys, oh wait, I think I finally get the hang of it, so sorry for that nasty camera angle. Sorry man, sorry guys. Okay. I know it's a little hard, but sometimes USB cables can have like a very foreign weight. I think I got it. I think I found it. Sorry about the camera, you guys. Okay. A little bit more. We're almost got it. We almost got it, guys. Okay. Alright guys, the box has already been opened, and Jesus. Sorry you guys about the things that I'm messing up with the box. Sorry. Okay. Well guys, here it is. The console that I have been waiting for a week. Look at this, you guys. The Nintendo 64 controller. Wow, it's indeed amazing. Look at this. And has all the details. I had never seen a controller this rare, or this is even an old controller from the 90s. I'll put it right here. Then we have is, whoa, a power cable. Still a little bent, but I'm sure it will work. And we have is, whoa, that is awesome! They had the same color schemes as the Nintendo GameCube. I'll put it right here. And then, and oh my god, we had cartridges. Nintendo 64 cartridges. We have a football game and Wave Racer. That's not exactly quite the Mario games I expected, but it's okay. My mom said I could play some other games. And another line of color. And here it is. Here it is, you guys. The Nintendo 64. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. This is it. The oldest console of Nintendo is finally here. Okay. I hope it's up today. Well, you guys, this is my very first Nintendo unboxing video. So, I'm gonna hook this thing up and I'm gonna unwrap the plastic later. So, hit like, subscribe, ring on the bell for more notifications, and don't forget to share. My name is Super Mario Fan, and I hope you loved this unboxing. So, thank you and goodbye.